Hey, Curt here, owner of Apollo Screen in Shade in Boise. I want to talk to you about something most people don't think about until they finally get one, a retractable screen door. Here's the thing about traditional screen doors. They're just sitting there on your house whether you want them or not. Blocking your view, collecting dust, sticking on the track. Nobody actually likes them, they just put up with them. Apollo's retractable screen doors are different. When you need airflow, they're there. When you don't, they're completely gone. Tucked away, nothing to look at, nothing to trip over. Your doorway looks exactly the way it did the day you moved in. And when the screen is out, it's so clear you genuinely have to be careful not to walk right into it. That's not a complaint we mind hearing. Every door is custom measured and built specifically for your opening. No off-the-shelf sizing, no gaps, no wobble. Smooth retraction every time, no slamming, no snapping. Give us a call or visit us online. Or stop by our 9165 West Chinnen Boulevard, Suite 105, Garden City.